Okay, so the crypto market stopped falling because NVIDIA CEO predicts crazy good Q4 after strong earnings. Calm AI bubble fears. So AI stocks rallied, crypto stopped falling. Was a good day for financial markets, but this is a little bit worrisome. Fed decision in December in orange, no change, skyrocketing. So the market is now not expecting the Federal Reserve to cut at all in December. That's both positive and negative. It's positive because if there's any sort of good news, the market's going to rally. And right now the market is pricing in all the negative news. So there's potential for a positive surprise if they change their minds, but it's also negative because they're not cutting rates. And if you back out all the AI growth from the economy, all the data centers, the economy has stalled. So it's not just crypto that's doing nothing. The entire US economy, excluding artificial intelligence, has stalled, and the Federal Reserve does not care about that portion of the economy, which again makes up the majority of the economy. They look at the growth in AI, they look at the top 5 stocks in the world, and they think we're doing fine. The US economy is actually doing horrendous. So they probably will do something to not crater markets leading up to Christmas and the holidays. But the good news is, even though the Federal Reserve is literally stifling the entire economy by keeping interest rates high, the fundamentals of these assets that are totally undiscovered just continue to skyrocket. Robinhood is tokenizing stocks on Arbitrum 1. We're seeing a big move in Robinhood. They just launched their tokenized stock service. We're talking about trillions of dollars of stocks moving onto blockchains. That's an Ethereum layer 2. They're moving onto Solana. They're moving on top of the large blockchains. The entire world's wealth is moving onto these assets, right? So the fundamentals have never been better, and that's going to be reflected in the upside. Base continues to scale Ethereum. Look at the transaction count daily on the Base network. Skyrocketing. Very good for Aerodrome. Coinbase owns Aerodrome. Aerodrome's going multi-chain. So Coinbase wants to dominate, be the dominant DEX on every blockchain. That's what Aerodrome is trying to do. So insane growth, insane profits, insane revenue for these assets.